Down payment assistance programs. Sounds great, huh? You probably see these advertisements all over the place on your email, on those little pop-ups that come on the news station. Just about every place is like, buy a home and get cash back. And a lot of those things are myths. But, I don't want to burst the bubble, there's a lot of truth that's out there. For instance, there's a lot of programs, at least in the state of Texas and nationally, where you can purchase a home and put little to no money out of pocket. Like almost nothing. There are even programs if you buy in a certain area and you qualify for a certain income limit. There are programs that'll pay your closing costs too. Like you could literally move into a house with almost no money out of pocket, right? But keep in mind, these are programs designed to help people along, right? So if you're a millionaire, you're not going to qualify for it. If you make a ton of cash, you're not going to qualify for it. But on the flip side, if you're not paying any of your bills on time, you're not going to qualify for it, right? So if you are late on your car payment, you're late on your credit cards, you don't pay your cell phone bill, you're just delinquent on everything, it's really going to be hard to qualify for anything. But let's say you're a good candidate. You pay your bills on time, you're a great credit risk because you make some good money, you've been at your job for a while, you've got some money saved up in the bank, but you don't have the $20, $30, $40, $100,000 it takes to get into some of these big loan programs. Then the down payment assistance programs are really meant for you, right? It gives you that kind of head start. Why rent? Why live in a cruddy apartment when you can buy your own home, have that pride of ownership, and gain that equity with little to no risk on your side, right? Because you're getting the money for the down payment, and now you just have to keep this home up and make it yours, and pay that payment on time every month. Now, not to be vague, but credit that you get for the down payment assistance programs vary all over the place. Certain cities offer it, some certain cities don't. Certain states offer it, some certain states don't. The best thing you want to do is you want to talk to a local lender, right? Like we do all of Texas, Oklahoma, California, Florida. Tons of different states, right? But we could or may not do some of those programs that are within those states. So you really need to kind of reach out and find out what is in your area. And some lenders just don't offer these programs at all. So sometimes if you go to like Bob's Mortgage Hut, they have no idea what you're even talking about. You're going to be more educated than they are. As scary as that seems, right? Or some of the banks that are big conglomerates. You go to there and they're like, "Whoa, what are you talking about? T-Shacks, down payment, what?" So make sure that whoever you're talking to is extremely well educated and knows the program inside and out. I have certain loan officers within my team that I get licensed for the different programs so that they are specialists in that. So they do a lot of these types of loans, and they're up on the guidelines and all the changes that are coming out constantly, because this market's always moving. This industry is always moving, right? So you want to get that specialist. So be educated, reach out. If you've got a good job history and you've got decent credit, but maybe you don't have any money for a down payment, please, please, please do not let that deter you from purchasing a home. There's a ton of solutions for you that's out there. There's great ways that you can purchase a home. Don't rent. Don't waste your money. If you have any questions, just give us a call.